Tip 3 in creating your own marketing videos is on lighting. Lighting is one of the essential basics in photography. It can be your friend, it can be your foe, but it doesn't have to be difficult to understand. You can use your phone app to teach you about lighting. So open up the app, turn it onto your face, walk round your home, your office, your garden, and watch how the light changes across your face. Oh, really? Yeah, that's not too bad. Always face your source of light, don't have it behind you, and avoid harsh overhead light. Indoors, it could be spotlights or fluorescent lights. Outside, avoid the midday sun.